Have you ever thought why your blood is bright red when you get a small cut? And if you have heard that blood inside your body is actually blue, is that really true? Even more surprising, did you know that not all animals have red blood? Some have blue blood, some have green blood, and a few even have purple blood. So, why is human blood red? And that gives it this unmistakable color. Let's uncover the fascinating science behind it.
Welcome to The Primer. Your journey to academic excellence starts here.
Hello everyone, I'm Ubaid. Welcome back to The Primer, where we make science simple, visual, and exciting. Today we are exploring a question you have probably never thought deeply about. Why is our blood red? The answer lies inside a tiny molecule that's absolutely essential for life. By the end of this video, you will understand why blood changes shades of red, why veins look blue, and why some animals have completely different colored blood. Let's begin. Our blood is made up of several components. Those components include plasma, white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells. The red blood cells are responsible for carrying oxygen from your lungs to every part of your body. But what makes these cells red? The answer is a protein called hemoglobin. Each red blood cell contains millions of hemoglobin molecules. At the center of every hemoglobin molecule is an atom of iron. You know that the reaction of iron with oxygen in the presence of moisture produces a reddish brown color. So when oxygen enters your lungs, it binds to the iron in hemoglobin. This creates a molecule called oxyhemoglobin, which reflects light in a way that makes blood appear bright red. Think of hemoglobin as millions of tiny oxygen delivery trucks traveling through your bloodstream. Their job is to pick up oxygen, deliver it to your body's tissues, and return for another load. Without hemoglobin, your body would not receive the oxygen it needs to survive. You may have noticed that blood is not always the same color. Blood that has just picked up oxygen from the lungs is bright red because it's rich in oxygen. So, bright red blood is rich in oxygen, flows away from heart through arteries to different organs of your body. After delivering oxygen to your muscles and organs, the blood returns with much less oxygen. So, this dark red blood is low in oxygen, travels back to the heart through veins. This deoxygenated blood appears dark red or maroon in color, but it is never blue. So, where did the idea of blue blood come from? The answer is actually your skin. Veins often appear blue because of the way light passes through your skin and is reflected back to your eyes. Different wavelengths of light scatter differently, creating the illusion that veins are blue. If a doctor draws blood from a vein, you will immediately notice it's still red, just a darker shade. So remember, human blood is always red. Here's something even more fascinating. If red blood is so common in humans, why do some animals have blue, green, or even purple blood? The answer reveals how evolution has solved the same problem in completely different ways. Humans use iron-containing hemoglobin to transport oxygen. But not every animal uses hemoglobin. Animals like horseshoe crabs, octopuses, and many squids use a different oxygen-carrying molecule. That molecule is called hemocyanin. Instead of iron in hemoglobin, hemocyanin contains copper. When copper binds with oxygen, it turns blue, giving these animals blue blood. Some reptiles and insects even have blood that appears green. Because of special pigments or high levels of bile pigments, nature has evolved different oxygen transport systems depending on where animals live and how they survive. Whether the blood is red or blue, the goal remains exactly the same, delivering oxygen to cells so life can continue. So next time you see a drop of blood, you will know its red color comes from hemoglobin, the iron-containing protein that carries oxygen throughout your body. You have also learned that blood inside your veins is not blue and that different animals have evolved different molecules to transport oxygen. So science is full of amazing facts hiding in the most ordinary things. even something as familiar as blood. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another fascinating science explanation. And here's a question for you. If you could have blood of any color like other animals, which color would you choose and why? Leave your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching the primer. I will see you in the next video.